Good morning, Lily. It is time to wake up.
Oh, Mom, no.
Yes, Lily, wake up, honey. Today is Sunday.
Is it Sunday?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining. Look.
But I am so sleepy. I want to sleep more.
No more sleeping, sweetheart. We have a big family breakfast today.
Can I stay in bed for 5 more minutes?
Only 5 minutes, Lily. Where are your slippers?
My slippers? They are under the bed.
Okay, put on your slippers and come to the kitchen.
Okay, Mom, I am getting up now. I am awake. Sunday morning. I love Sundays.
Lily, are you washing your face?
Yes, Mom, I am brushing my teeth now.
Good. Do not forget to comb your hair.
I know, Mom, I am coming.
Can you hear that? Listen.
I hear music. Is Dad playing music?
Yes, your father is in the kitchen. He is very happy today.
Good morning, ladies. Happy Sunday.
Good morning, David. You look busy.
I am very busy. I am making breakfast for my favorite girls.
Dad, I smell pancakes.
You are right, Lily. I am making blueberry pancakes today.
Blueberry pancakes? My favorite.
Yes, and look, I have bacon and eggs too.
Everything smells wonderful, David. Thank you.
You're welcome, Emma. Can you help me set the table?
Of course. Lily, can you get the plates?
Yes. 1 plate for Mom, 1 plate for Dad, and 1 big plate for me.
That's my girl. Sit down, everyone. The food is hot and fresh.
This juice is very cold and sweet. I like it.
Drink your coffee, Emma. It is fresh.
Dad, these pancakes are delicious. They are the best.
Thank you, Lily. I am glad you like them.
So, what is the plan for today?
It is a sunny day. Let's go to the park later.
Can we play with a ball at the park?
Yes, we can. After breakfast, we can get ready.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday.
I love my family, and I love pancakes.
We love you too, Lily.
Mom, look at the sky. It is so blue.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
The air feels fresh today.
I see flowers over there. They are pretty.
Yes, they are pink and yellow.
Oh, look! A little dog!
Yes, I see it. It is running very fast.
The dog is so cute.
Lily, stay close to us, please.
Okay, Mom. I am right here.
The park is not far now. Can you see the trees?
Yes, and I see children too.
It looks busy today.
Good. I want to play. Wow, the park is so big.
Yes, and it is very clean too.
I can hear the birds.
I see swings, and I see a slide.
Do you want to play with the ball first?
Yes, Dad. Oh, wait. I know that girl.
Who is she?
She is my classmate, Mia.
Hi, Lily.
Hi, Mia. What are you doing here?
I am at the park with my mom.
Hello, Mia.
Hello, Mrs. Carter.
Nice to see you, Mia.
Nice to see you too.
Do you want to play ball with me?
Yes, I do.
That is nice. Go ahead and play.
Stay where we can see you, girls.
Okay, Dad.
Ready, Lily?
Ready.
Lily looks very happy today.
Yes, Sunday is family time. I love it.
Me too. The weather is nice, the food was good, and Lily is smiling.
It is a perfect morning.
Mom, Dad, Mia and I are having so much fun.
That is wonderful, Lily.
Enjoy your time, sweetheart.
I love Sundays.
We do too.
Happy Sunday, everyone.